Hi, I'm Rachel Moriarty, a Southern California interior designer, and I specialize in redesigning the homes of busy professionals throughout San Diego County in my signature style that I call colorfully coastal. I am so excited to be a part of the design team for Seasonal Living Magazine's luxury virtual designer Showhouse. My space to design was the laundry and decontamination space. My concept for this space was called Style Meets Sanitation. My focus was to use luxury surfaces that could easily be cleaned and sanitized. Hard surfaces like glass, metal, quartz, and vinyl look sleek and modern, but they can feel cold and uninviting. My challenge was to make this space feel grand, bold, and welcoming. Words not typically associated with laundry or decontamination. This is not your typical laundry room though. This space is proof positive that decontamination can be sleek and sexy. I designed the flow of this space with two zones in mind. You enter the room into what I call the dirty zone, and you flow through it and you hit the clean zone before you enter the main part of the home. So you'll see as you enter on the right hand side, there's a place to wash your hands. There's an LG washer and dryer where you can put your clothes. There's an LG styler that will sanitize your clothes. On the other side of the room, I have metal cabinets, and it's what I'm calling my cabinets of curiosities, where you can put all of your PPE, your hand sanitizer, your mask, gloves, all of that can stylishly be put away. There's a dog wash. There's a folding station. For every laundry room needs a folding station, and I put an LG TV up above there so you can fold Netflix and fold. I also added an LG air purifier in addition to the intake and exhaust vents. So I invite you to walk through my space, look up, look down, look around, enjoy this fabulous new technology, and I invite you to walk through all the other spaces of this wonderful home and enjoy the gorgeous ocean views of the Malibu coastline. Thank you.